All right, what's going on, guys? Today, we're going to be driving through a snowstorm. So we were just driving by and we saw this random car covered in snow. So I guess it had an updraft from the snow or from the wind. So it's just all the snow and he hasn't cleaned it off yet. So yeah, that's how bad the snow is out here. Crazy. Snow's insane at Fort Drum. Yeah, so you need one of these bad boys, not one of those low boys. That's Chills 919 making a TikTok behind the scenes. What is he? Is he gonna lay in the middle?
Risking it all for a TikTok. Shut up and make a TikTok.
Heart. Everyone turns around.
What are we watching?
Him doing a TikTok.
So he's gonna pour that into the heart. Wait, what?
And he's wearing like slides. Out in the snow.
Wait, why? Why did he wear shoes?
What's happening? He's drawing something.
Drawing hearts.
Oh my God.
To make the heart red.
Aww.
He's gonna use that whole bottle for no
Is it
reason.
Valentine's fucking TikTok? Probably. More likely. Yeah. Oh no, fuck. Weirdos.
Why'd you even wear the slides if you're just gonna put the shoes on anyway?
I don't know. I went out there with the creativeness. Fuck you.
Oh yeah. It's easier to make hearts with slides on.
Damn.
You ready?
That's how we're
Alright, we just filmed the TikTok and check that out on Chills 911 on TikTok. It's for like Valentine's Day. It's the you got my heart, you got my mind.
I was even colder going
Wanna
freaking.
give yourself a shout out?
Get away from me.
Dude, the video doesn't do it justice. The video is way clearer, but you literally cannot see anything.
Can't tell this lady, right?
Yeah. Oh my god, dude. That is crazy. So like the snow is still soft. Look at this stupid Mustang. The snow is still soft. So the wind that's blowing it has like a lot of wind. Like, oh hell yeah, dude. Kick it out, dude. Do a wheelie.
Well, that's the icing on the cake. I'm definitely not driving through this for What is that? You can only see like.
Yeah, you can't even see like in front.
This is a highway. Oh my god. I slid. It's all snow right here. I'm hoping no one hits me with that. I kinda wanna get on this road.
Everyone's going mad slow. There's a Dakota behind you.
Oh man.
Dude, you can't see anything. Alright, this is a lot worse than I thought it was.
Sucks for that guy right there. So
He can't even see.
you can't get out.
Like the long portions is crazy.
It was only that one spot.
What spot?
It's over. It's
Yeah. That's what I meant. Like the long portions. That truck was sick. It was lowered. I'm going to McDonald's in the snowstorm.
Oh my god, alright, the steering isn't better.
It's not.
Fuck, it's probably the fluids.
Yeah, the fluid boiled over when the Mexico video, and I think put the pump into its misery, or out of its misery, finally.
Add mac sauce, lettuce, and bacon.
Add mac sauce, lettuce, and bacon, please.
And a small fry.
And a small fry.
And a medium Diet Coke, no ice.
Anything else?
And medium Diet Coke, no ice.
2 barbecue sauce, 2 ranch.
And 2 barbecue sauce, 2 ranch. No, that's it.
Love y'all.
Yes.
Hot cakes, only barbecue sauce, diet no ice, and 2 double hams. Add bacon, lettuce, and mac sauce.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
1412, first one, please. Thank you.
Look at the flags. Look at that one,
Just
dude.
say
This thing's in the
fries.
hyper speed, dude.
Don't even say it's small, just say fries. So they can make it in, they'll bring it like a large fry or something. I feel like they'll mix it up with all the craziness going on.
Yeah, but they didn't have it on the receipt.
Yeah, I can't turn until I turn until we're as close as I'm gonna get. They didn't, oh, it wasn't on the receipt. Or you could just go in and grab the fry, whatever you need.
Yeah, grab the fries. I don't think they're gonna give him just fries. He's gonna have to pay for them. Dude, look at the drive-through stuff. They're like blowing back. Oh my god. This is insane. Dude, look at the flag. That flag's gonna rip off.
Yeah, it is. What is that flag?
It looks like a McDonald's flag or something. Honestly, it looks like there's a bird on top, and I thought of the Maverick.
What?
Like from Jake Paul or whatever, Logan Paul.
Logan Paul, man.
What's the difference between them?
Logan Paul's cool, man.
Oh, okay. USMC, hell yeah, dude. Some old cat. That dude's like 80.
You hear this?
Yeah, I know. All right, guys, stay tuned for a power steering video. Power steering pump. I'm waiting for someone to just kick it out, like drift this whole corner, like deja vu. I have seen this place before. I don't understand. To go. Ready? It's his truck, dude. His truck's about to do it to him.
I better have this thing in reverse, bro. They're both at the urinal looking back.
Started clearing up a bit. Finally see it in front of us. But yeah, that was insane. Hey bro, nice hat. Hey Roman bro, nice hat.
Thanks, bro.
Bro, that bench, bro. Look at the trees, they look so small. Dude, they got them homies out here shoveling. Pull-up bars. Parking lot doesn't look that bad. This is like it's high. Like to my knee. Supposed to be more. It's only 1 a.m. Oh yeah, dude. Look at my soup. Ooh. All this is like frozen underneath. He didn't see it on camera. We just look like everything's smoking. Window's gonna start fogging up because of the cold air. It doesn't even feel like that windy. The Coke, bro? Or you pass me the rock. Is that guac? What is it? Salsa?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Why is like one bigger than the others?
It's more.
Maggie's on the mountain. Hell yeah. There hasn't really been much snowfall, more just high winds. But this wasn't us coming in. There's like no. There's just a lot.